Today we can see a monster truck. Here's a monster truck. This is the tire adjustment. Left, this moves left, this moves right, and in the center. Here was the back bumper and the front bumper. Here was the headlamp and tire. The tire was rubber. And here was the opener. There fit the battery. लेकिन बैटरी नहीं है. So friend, this is our car. This is nice. Soccer के बारे में. And here was the spring in the front of. See, there was this spring. See, there was this spring. ऐसे दाबो ना, गाड़ी रख के ऐसे दाबो ना आगे से. Here was the spring. It is very strong. And here was the second car, the Ciaz. इधर लाओ ना. The Ciaz. This is my car. Here was the मोड़ना मत. Here is the screwdriver. And there was the broken. I can pack from the sellotape. This is my second car, and this is my third car. I can make the carpet from the paper. This car is very nice. Carpet. This is my car. जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ना वो कार को जो है ना इसमें कर देना पास ला देना. And here was the car is coming. Ooh. There was a new stand. सीट का अंदर का दिखा दो. And there was a seat under. Here was a silver seat and a blue mirror. I can see. Wait, I can. And here was the new car. Wow, it is very beautiful. Nice. Here was very nice.